way that the sort of baby boomers valued the environment, which was the birth of LEED, the millennials value themselves and their personal health. And I don't mean that with a negative conversation. They see true value in being healthy people. And so we looked out there and said, well, who's really looking at that? And that's when we found the Delos WELL certification. And so we were like, you know what, that's something no one else is doing. Let's make this the first WELL certified block. And the first place in the entire city of Los Angeles that no matter where you go from environment to environment on this block, you're going to be in the healthiest possible environment.
The building is going to be certified as a WELL building using the Delos system, that it looks further than some of the traditional metrics that are out there, LEED for example. This goes above and beyond that into not just how the space in the building is performing, but how the people are performing within the space.